Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Intraday Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So, what happened today? Both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, I think whatever analysis we did yesterday, it completely worked that way. We expected both side move. So, what we thought is market is going to open gap down, and FIs have call longs. So initially when it opened gap down and pros had call shorts, so pros will immediately book it and FIs would average it and take the market a little higher. That's what we thought, and we also decided that it will go up to the previous day high. Let me just show you. So this is the previous day high. So we decided that they'll take the market up to that level. But what I thought was it will come in the morning, but it did not happen. But after some time in the afternoon is something they went to PDH and then a great fall. So we anticipated this kind of move uh, before, and like we thought it will go in this direction and it will come back like this. So this movement, the sharp momentum, these days it's not happening in the morning, but it happens in the afternoon. So I think overall the analysis uh, was quite decent and it went as per our plan. Also Nifty, we thought it will come down until 18,300 and I think it made a low of around 312, but that too it came in the end. But overall a decent day, I think. Market was well within the range. The only problem is, like Bank Nifty, yesterday it consolidated here, and today also they are consolidating in the same range. If you remember, yesterday we had put a support line here, which was, I think, coming at somewhere around 42, 420, something like that. And today this support was intact. So this is what I was talking about. This support was broken by this green red candle, but there was no follow through. If I would have seen a follow through, what I would have done is after a follow through, I'll wait for a retracement and then take a P entry here and then expect a fall further. So this is how they trap, new people who come to the market. They learn in the books like NCFM technical analysis and so on and so forth. They learn that a bullish candle or a bearish candle, if it breaks the support or a resistance, you learn all that shit. Uh, but I'm sorry that that's not shit actually, but that's how with all those concepts people especially the big players, they confuse us and reduce the accuracy of that particular trading. So I still have that red support line here. Okay, so pretty much a decent market today. So I think done with this discussion. Now we'll quickly discuss what to do tomorrow. So I'm not waiting for participants data today. It has still not come, and especially on the expiry day, they collate that data or they send that data very late. So I thought let's make the video a little early. So I'll post that data in the Telegram channel as it is a lot of people. I think I'm sure you will be using this sheet which I shared in the Telegram channel. Okay, so Bank Nifty made a shooting star kind of a pattern, which is a bearish reversal sign, and Nifty is putting all kind of dojis here. This is a gravestone doji, you can say. So actually, I have something to show you that is in the option chain. If you look at this closely, let me just zoom a little bit and show you all. So if you remember, I have already told you all earlier that whenever there is a put option buying, that is like put open interest increasing in far expiry. Okay. So not buying, it is like put open interest. If it increases in far expiries, then it means that people are buying put options in the far expiry, which means that they are anticipating the fall a little early. Okay, this could be normal retail traders, FIIs, pros. It can be anyone, but there is sudden increase in the put OI. That is something which I wanted to bring it to your notice. If you see here, the put OI is increased. So the call OI, this is the cumulative OI. Okay, so this includes all the further expiries also. So call OI is around 21 lakh and the put OI is around 24 lakhs. And yes, so for the current expiry, if you see the put open interest is more, that means it is bullish. So short positions being created. And in the far expiries, if you see put being at, that means people are buying puts. And I can see that very well. So volume is also on the rise on the put side. And CE change in open interest has also been added today. Okay, so this is something which you need to keep an eye on. So basically, there is a what do you say? There is a swing that needs to be put on the chart because we are just moving without a swing, hence there is no energy in the market. Market is just opening gap up, moving a bit. That's all it does. So there is a dip that is expected. So you may see a sudden big candle. So whenever the market is flat like these, gap up, and you can see these things here. So no movement at all. So there you see a sudden big candle. Okay, it can be a bullish candle or it can be a bearish candle also. So if it is a bullish candle, that means it is a trap and we are going to come down. And if it is a bearish candle, that means we are going to come down and trap uh, people, especially make people to short, and then the market can go up. So this is something which I'm anticipating. Keep this in mind. Okay, so now let's quickly discuss it on the smaller time frame. So, okay, so we almost traded in the yesterday's range itself. Okay, this entire box. So nothing. The move was very similar to what happened yesterday. The only thing is there was volatility, and I had already mentioned that in the thumbnail of my yesterday's video that volatile expiry. That's what happened. So now we have, our vision is clear. We clearly have to wait for a breakout or a breakdown, and then only we'll trade. And SGX Nifty is also trading around 90 to 100 points lower. So we'll see how we can plan our day. Okay, so let me activate my lines first. Okay, here it is. So what we are going to do is, suppose if we open flat or a small gap down, say within 42, 360, 350. So within 42, 350. And so we'll look for short opportunity only because we'll consider this as a breakdown. So we'll just wait for a small up move to fill this gap. And this swing should be your SL. And we can go for a put. What is the target that we can expect? So an entry somewhere close to 42, 400, 420. And our target first should be 42, 300. And the second target should be around 42, 215. This is the same target that we discussed yesterday. So it still remains the same. Okay. So, and if we open say around 42, 300, then obviously we'll see a bounce and this big gap up can hurt some profits because it will take time to come to this place, and then it will come down, and then the market can be sideways also. So if you open around 42,300, then the market can trade between 42,250 to 42,400, and the entire day will just be a time pass, because it's Friday, and definitely FIs and pros will build new positions for the next week. So the market can be sideways again. So gap up, nothing I'm expecting. If we open gap up as per price action, definitely I think it looks like a sell until and unless we open around 42,550. Okay, only if we cross 600, 620 is we'll go for a call, but I don't see anything like that, at least for tomorrow. Okay, now let's quickly discuss Nifty. So Nifty has took support at the trend line. Okay, and it has already given a breakdown of this particular level of yesterday. Okay, so 18,350 was that. So in case if we open around 18,350 to 375, just in case of a gap up or something, we'll still, you can go for a put actually. Once we close below this line, you can go for a PE. And the next target that you can expect is around, let me check, I have to zoom out a little. The next target that you can expect is around 18,280 and then 18,250. Okay, so 18,280 and 18,250. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is what we can expect on the downside. Next is if we open gap down at say 250, or now currently it is trading already at 18,285. So imagine if we open at 18,280 or 285 or 250. I think first you can actually go for a call trade, but be careful since after a gap down we are just going for a call. But again, I'll confirm it with the participants data what we can see. But definitely that will be a good buying opportunity. We'll see an up move until this place. Then we can book. Okay, once it fills the gap. So just what you need to do is in the morning you just have to identify who looks more bullish. Is it Nifty or is it Bank Nifty? How do you identify that? The gap down itself will indicate. For example, Nifty will open 0.3% gap down, but Bank Nifty may open 0.5% gap down. That means Bank Nifty is more on the bearish side. So if you have to take a bullish trade, you depend on Nifty rather than Bank Nifty. So that's how you change your mind. So you can definitely take this trade, at least for Nifty. And then I think Nifty also will become, kind of sideways tomorrow. So I hope you're clear with the view. This is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. I'm just recording English video today, not making Hindi. I have to go out for a small shopping for my daughter's school. Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.